Hey, what's up, guys? It's Akshay from AS Learning, and today we'll be building one application using vibe coding, or we can say GitHub Copilot agent. Okay, so what we'll be doing in this application? We know that in many of the applications, like in Teams, WhatsApp, for general questions, we get top three suggestions. Let's say someone sent a good morning, so you get a suggestion. Good morning is being sent to you. Want to say good morning, how are you? So we will be building that suggestion, that top three suggestions for the ask question, and I will be building it in the form of in an agentic way. We'll be using vibe coding for it. Okay, so first of all, let's understand what is vibe coding. Vibe coding is when you don't know actually, if you're not a coder, okay, if you don't do a typical coding and you pass NLP instructions to an agent, and the agent does things for you, let's say edit the code, modify the code. So it's like you're vibing on the code, like you're not actually coding, but you're vibing and you're getting the work done. So that is what vibe coding is. So there are various tools, Lovable, Base 99, I guess, and many others. I will be going ahead with GitHub Copilot. Okay. So my task is to build a auto reply suggestion for the most common questions. So let's start building it. So here in my GitHub Copilot, I will be getting my inline. Okay, here I did. Let's get started. Uh, Give me Python code for suggesting three best possible response for an asked question. Use OpenAI model to code it. I think this should be fine for now. Okay, so boom boom boom, it it gave me a good code. Okay, now it is if okay, now here what I'll be doing is let me copy paste my API first. Okay, this is my API. Okay, and let me put my API here. Okay, so we're done with the API. Here it is using GPT 3.5 Turbo. It has gone to OpenAI chat completion dot create. N is 1, temperature set to default value 07, and it is giving me answer. Okay, now let's try to run it and see what it does. Why is this in debugger mode? I don't want debugger. Now here I ran it. Let me ask him a question. Let's say good morning, and it gave me an error that it's no longer supported OpenAI version 1 and migrated to version 2. So now what I'll be doing is I'll be copy pasting this code. Okay, and I'll be saying Copilot editor inline chat. Oh wait, instead of doing editor inline chat, how to close this? Okay, let's do one thing. Copilot, and it's doing a editor inline chat here. I wanted in a panel here. It's not coming. Okay, let's do a fix. Okay, and it started doing something. No, I don't want it. So no, I don't want to rerun. Let me close it. Okay, let me do one thing. I'll move it to this panel, and let me do it again. GitHub Copilot, edit inline chat. Okay, uh, migrate this function to uh, OpenAI chat completions API, uh, supporting to later versions of OpenAI package. Okay, now it will modify this code. Okay, and it is asking me whether I accept it or not. So here I said yes, fine. So now it looks okay. Now it has migrated to the later code of chat completions API, and let's do one more thing. Let's try running it if it works. Okay, it asks me a question. I'm saying good morning, and it is telling me that the OpenAI key must be set either as a TDD or a variable. Okay, so okay, because it's my personal key, I a bit skeptical about vibe coding around it. So wait, I'll do what is I'll just do OpenAI OS, and I'll be doing OS dot environment. Wait, not there. Here, OS dot environment, and it is auto suggesting me. This looks good, right? So here I've set it as OpenAI variable. I'll comment it down and run it again. So it has asked me the question again. So let's do it. Good morning, and it gave me 3 suggestions. Good morning, how are you doing? What's on your agenda on the day? Okay, let's do one thing. Let me open chat. Let me do open chat. Okay, fine. This looks good, right? This is, I think, closed chat. Can I clear it? How to clear this? New chat. Okay, great. Now here I have options: ask agent, edit. I have models. Okay, currently GPT 4.1. I'll move it to agent, and I'll tell him to replace the GPT 3.5 turbo model with GPT 4.0 model. Okay, now I've told him it will do the editing, and it will give me option of whether I accept it or don't accept it. Okay, so here as you can see it got changed. Okay, and I've got options to have to undo it, keep it, so I'm keeping it. Okay, now okay, here I see Go API added here. Now what I have to do is I changed one parameter. Let me do one thing. Now there is one problem with this code, and the problem is that, let's say if I'm asking any question, okay, so if I told him what is the capital of India, it will give me top 3 suggestions. Oh, I need to run it. Can it run the file? Let's see, I've never tried it. Run this file. This is the first time I'm trying to run it. It's asking me create a virtual environment, can provide, allow in this session, always allow. I don't want a virtual environment. Why it is? Okay, fine, let's allow in session. It's creating a virtual environment, and it's selecting a virtual environment. Okay, and I'm running it, and it gave me OpenAI because I think it will need those packages inside those virtual environments. Okay, fine, but it created a virtual environment on its own, and it also got activated, if you see. Let me tell him to deactivate the virtual environment. Deactivate the VNV. Let's see, can he do it? I think he will be able to do it. Okay, it's telling me to run it. Please run it for me. Okay, I think it's again running the file, not the virtual environment. Okay, let's be specific. I want to deactivate the VNV, um, uh, deactivate it using appropriate command. Let's see, can I do it? Continue. Yes, it got deactivated. Great. Now, good. Now let me run it. Why it's giving me error now? What's the capital of India? It's telling me no model found. Has he selected the virtual environment here? I want to select this. I'm applying another VN and it's fine. Now I'll say good morning and it should run. Great. The problem is if I ask him, let's say I'm asking him to run one more time. If I ask him any question, what is the capital of India? Explain its street food. It will give me top 3 answers. Right? I don't want him to do. I want him, because this is not how the auto reply works. It always gives suggestions when the questions are a bit simpler and they are general. So I want to apply a filter to only give answers when the question is a bit general and simple. Okay, I want to apply a filter function on the asked question to only give best 3 responses when the question is general and simple. Let's see. Okay, it got stuck into this loop. Let me close it and let me start again. Open chat. Oh, it's again into this loop only. How to stop this loop? I'm unable to stop this loop. Okay, let me copy it here for now. It's not working. Let me try changing the model and seeing if it works. No, it's not working. Ask. It should change the context of the chat. No. Okay, something here. Hi, stop. Okay, I'm moving it back to agentic mode, and this was my question. Okay, here I applied that question. Enable. I don't want Sonnet. I want GPT-4o. So let me ask it again. Okay, now let's see what it does. Now it okay, it gave me a new function. It's general simple question, and then if it's not a general, not general enough to our best response, and if it is this, then go ahead with this. Oh, fine for now. uh, I don't want this, I want this. Okay, but the problem is it is rule based, simple keywords, and it is seeing for keywords and deciding whether it's a general question. I wanted to make it smarter. Now let's do one thing. I'm selecting it, Copilot. Uh, okay, let's do one thing. Let's select it, and can I add this context into the chat? Editor inline chat, not general. So add selection to the chat. Great. Now I want to tell him I want a LLM based logic here, and not rule based keyword logic. Fine. So I told him that I want a LLM based logic here and not keyword based logic. So let's see what it does. Hope so it converts it to LLM based logic. Now it is converting it to LLM based logic, and looks fine. Keep it. It's chat completions create, and it is giving me a deterministic output of yes or no, and if it's a general question it should run, and if it is not, this should be changed. Okay. Okay, fine for now. Okay, let's try running it. So here I say good morning, and it told me that good morning is not a, it's not a general simple enough to provide 3 questions. Okay, let's try how are you. Does it think this is a normal question? Okay, I need to run it again. How are you? This should be a simple question. Okay, it gave me 3 best responses. And let's say I asked him what is the capital of India. What is the capital of India? And it thinks it's a general question. Oh, what is the capital of India? It thinks it's a general question. How is this a general question? The following question a general or simple? Okay, let's try to avoid simple here. Maybe it's getting confused. Is the following question general? Let's give him some example. Okay. Wait. For example, good morning. Then we'll say, how are you? Okay, these are some general questions we added. Fine. This is question general. Is the following question general and often used in daily conversation? So this is what is prompt tuning is. We are tuning the prompt to make it better. Okay, let's try to hit it now. There's a syntax error somewhere. Where? Okay, let's try to clear it. And let's try to run it again. Now let's say if it works. Hopefully it does. Good. Let me put just morning. Not good morning, just morning. It thinks it's a general question and it gave me reply. Hello, how can I do for this morning? Let's put what is the capital of India. Okay, I need to run it again. This is not in a conversational. Why it is not giving me what is the capital of India? Thinks it's a general question. It's not a general question. Why are you thinking it's a general question? Why? You are not. It's not a simple question. General or not? General. Let me put it. Often used. Let's see if this works now. Let's say. Let's make it innovative, okay? Good evening. What? Let me try running it again. Good evening. Oh, it gave me responses now. Good evening, how can I help you? And let's try one more time. Hope so this works this time. What is, or a lot of work on put the prompt. What is the capital of India? It's not an often asked question. It's still thinking it's a general question. You are an expert in classifying questions as general, often, or not. Starts with this. How are you? Reply. It's the following question: general, often, use in. I think we should remove this word general. Let's try printing and see what it thinks. It's definitely thinking not right, but let's see. Okay, what is the capital of India? It thinks the general question and hence it is going ahead and giving the responses. I don't want. We need to tune this prompt. Is the following question general, often used in daily conversation? Okay, let's do one thing. Let's ask ChatGPT only to help me with it. Okay, add selection to the chat and let's tell him. It is thinking questions like what is the capital of India as general and often used, though it is not. It is not. I only want to give response of 3 suggestions when the question is oftenly used in daily conversations. Modify the prompt for it. Okay, let's see. Does it give us the best prompt possible? Okay, it is modifying it. let's keep it. Let's blindly keep it, okay? I'm blindly keeping it. Okay, now let's try running it. Let's see if this time it thinks what is the capital of India. It gave the response that no, it's not a general enough question. And let's say if I run it with good night, it gave me the three best answers. Okay, so that's it, guys, with this video how we build a simple application of three best suggestions for a general often question using entirely white coding. Okay, if you learn something new, give it thumbs up and stay tuned to AS for more such amazing tech stuff. Take care, peace out.